It's the middle of May, and I haven't been in this hive for a couple weeks. Since then, I put up this little observation bar. I can hang a bar there and observe it, get some photographs or some close-up video of it, and this shelf here so I can, keep my things handy. My hive is going crazy. It's absolutely bubbling over with bees. There are so many in here, and this is a small hive. This is only maybe 3.5 feet long. It just seems like they are running out of space. I have added this whole second area here. It was maybe 5 bars worth of space, maybe 6 bars. I've cut off from them to have this feeder box in there. And there was a mason jar here filled with sugar syrup or solution so that they could eat before there was forage. There's plenty to eat for them now. So I'm going to remove that. And God help me, what I'm going to do is remove this divider following board. And open up the rest of the hive to them. So they can have 6 more bars if they want. Hop in. So that's the follower board that I put on. And another thing I'm concerned about, what if all the comb is just one massive comb? That would really depress me. I wouldn't know what to do then, in that case. So I'm gonna proceed with caution and hopefully don't wreck any of their hard work. It's that sinking feeling when you start separating 2 bars and what you see is just glistening honey separating. Oh, that's sad. There's like 2 combs attached to this 1 bar right now. You guys, why are you standing all the way over there? Come in here and look. This is amazing stuff. Come on over. And this bar over here, it seems like there's two combs on the same bar. Yeah, there's a little bit of cross comb, but it's not too bad. It's not the mess I thought it was. Or the mess it could be. It's pretty messy though. I've never cut cross comb before, and I don't want to hurt my bees. Oh, okay. I see what needs to be done. I just need to remove it from this bar. Because what they did was they built 1 comb onto another bar. So the comb starts there and then comes over onto this bar. So there, problem solved. 1 bar out of the way. Number 13 of 0 numbering order. So you got the 13, 12, 6. There's 13 again. That's pretty good. People have been asking, how are your bees? And I have had to keep saying, I don't know. I haven't been in their hive for a long time. The thing is, they do great. They do great without my interaction. I mean, I obviously wouldn't be able to take care of the bees, or like nurture the oh my goodness, it's impossible for me to think and talk while I'm doing this. Hey, Juicy Boosh, can you get me a piece of that wire, or just bring out that wire spool that's in the garage? This is, I don't know, it looks a little precarious. So what I'm going to do is thread some wire through there and then just hook it onto that bar, just so they have they'll repair it. I just want them to repair it to the right place. And so Juicy Boosh is going to go get that for me. Oh, girl. Let's just take this one out and observe it. I stepped away for a second, and the comb that I was going to repair just completely collapsed into the hive. I have a very sick and sinking feeling right now. This is terrible. Oh, there's probably all those bees hanging out under there all pissed off. I think I'm gonna go get some gloves, because this is a handheld job. Well, luckily, this comb isn't full of honey. There's a lot of popped brood combs. Oh, this is really gorgeous. I've never seen this before, and I really want to repair this. We don't have one of those like hair clip deals that they always use in the videos, huh?
Probably get some at CVS.
They sound pissed. There are some larvae there, a lot of larvae in like the broken portions of the cells. The bee's life cycle is a little bit of a mystery to me. I'm not exactly sure what their cycle is. You know, those would probably be workers. I doubt they're going to be drones or queens, but what the hell do I know? It's on. That's good. Just switch to the other side now.
Okay. Excuse me, ladies.
But I remember seeing you at the Palladium way back in September because you was beatboxing for Lou Rawls.
Not bad.
I think it's, you know, as long as it's all right. All right. So that's a little bit fixed. They'll have to do the rest of that repair. And I can hear in their voice that they're not really thrilled about it all. Bees sort of have a tone of voice. When they're just like chill, they're kind of like zzz. And when they're pissed, they're like zzz. And right now they're like zit. They're like the second one. Well, I don't intend to move every bar here and disturb the whole colony. All I wanted to do was just make sure that things were going okay. Check on the progress, make sure there were no problems, and not cause any problems. So I did like 2 of the 3 things I wanted to do, and 1 of the million things I didn't want to do. So I'm gonna close up. I was just peeking in. Go back inside, everybody. And also I wanted to remove that feeder box and the follow board. So we had a little bit of everything in there. A little bit of surprise, a little bit of drama. That was quite an experience. No stungs, no stings, no stings on the baby. Got a taste of the honey. It's pretty fantastic. And I think I'm gonna call it here because it's Mother's Day and I have to cook dinner and I'm like seriously behind schedule. It's almost 7 o'clock. Thanks for watching.